Good morning, it's May 13th, and this is your daily brief in science. Here's everything you need to know. A recent study published in eClinical Medicine highlights a significant finding regarding GLP-1 receptor agonists, or GLP-1 RAS, revealing their potential to reduce the risk of obesity-related cancers beyond just aiding in weight loss. The research involved 6,356 participants, all aged 24 and older, with a body mass index of 35 kilograms per square meter or higher and diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. These individuals were treated with GLP-1 RAS between 2010 and 2018. Among the cancers examined, postmenopausal breast cancer was the most frequently diagnosed, followed by colorectal and uterine cancers. GLP-1 receptor agonists, including semaglutide, tirzepatide, and liraglutide, are already available on the NHS and are primarily known for managing type 2 diabetes and promoting weight loss. These medications mimic the hormone GLP-1, which helps lower blood sugar levels and enhances feelings of fullness, leading to significant weight loss. Clinical trials indicate that patients using GLP-1 injections can lose between 15% to 20% of their body weight. Additionally, there are indications of reduced heart disease risk and positive effects on other chronic conditions. Professor Jason Halford from Leeds University has suggested testing these drugs in newly diagnosed cancer patients to assess their impact on survival rates. While the findings present promising implications, experts urge caution as they are based on observational studies. Professor Mark Lawler pointed out that bariatric surgery has already shown significant reductions in cancer risk. The study's results align with plans for a large trial in the UK focusing on cancer treatment through weight loss injections, supported by 54 experts from 12 countries. Potential side effects of GLP-1 drugs include gastrointestinal issues, pancreatitis, and rare kidney complications, although there are no confirmed links to pancreatic or thyroid cancer. With obesity contributing to approximately 23,000 cancer cases annually in the UK, addressing this issue is vital for cancer prevention efforts. Recent studies also indicate that GLP-1 receptor agonists may restore the function of natural killer cells, which play a crucial role in combating cancer. The XPRIZE competition has launched an ambitious initiative offering an $81 million grand prize aimed at extending the health span of individuals aged 50 to 80 by 20 years. The focus is on restoring key health metrics such as muscle mass, cognitive ability, and immune function. Among the top 40 teams selected from over 660 applicants across 58 countries is Chimera Labs, highlighting its significant role in advancing aging and healthcare solutions. The competition recognized 100 semifinalist teams, with each of the 40 Healthspan teams and 8 FSHD bonus prize teams receiving $250,000 to support their innovative solutions. Dr. Jamie Justice, Executive Director of XPRIZE Healthspan, noted the importance of exploring a diverse range of strategies, including biologics, drugs, and lifestyle interventions, to effectively address the challenges of aging. Semi-finalists are required to demonstrate their readiness to test these interventions on human participants within the next year, emphasizing the transition from laboratory research to real-world applications. Ageless RX is working to democratize science-backed longevity care by combining clinical precision with digital access, responding to the increasing demand for preventive solutions. Additionally, Timeline's research on urolithin A, a natural compound that enhances mitophagy, aims to improve mitochondrial function and overall immune health. Chimera Labs is collaborating with Dr. Sheldon Jordan and the Regenesis Project to integrate exosome technology with low-intensity focused ultrasound, showing promising preclinical results. Current statistics reveal a 12-year gap in the U.S. between life expectancy and healthy life expectancy, highlighting the urgent need for innovative solutions in aging. With the average life expectancy in the U.S. around 78 years, many individuals face health issues by their late 60s, contributing to a burgeoning market for longevity research estimated at $600 billion. The competition has attracted a wide array of proposed solutions, including biologic therapies, drugs, lifestyle interventions, and medical devices, indicating diverse approaches to tackling aging. The semifinalists are set to begin early-stage clinical trials in 2025, with results to be submitted for the next round of judging in April 2026. NASA's latest research has unveiled the possibility of a hidden ocean of liquid water deep beneath the surface of Mars. This discovery, based on an analysis of seismic data, was published on April 25, 2025, in the journal National Science Review. The study underscores the importance of future missions equipped with seismometers to conduct a more thorough examination of Martian geology. The research indicates that the pressure and temperature at these depths could maintain liquid water, preventing it from entering supercritical conditions that would alter its properties. Estimates suggest that the volume of liquid water at the base of the upper crust could be equivalent to a global layer of 520 to 780 meters, aligning with previous estimates of missing water on Mars. Weijia Sun, a professor at the Institute of Geology and Geophysics, highlighted the significance of this finding in the search for extraterrestrial life. The study suggests that ancient water may have been absorbed into porous rocks, remaining underground instead of escaping to the surface. Various theories have been proposed to explain the disappearance of surface water on Mars, including loss to space, chemical weathering, and deep aquifer sequestration. Mars is believed to have had rivers and lakes during the Noachian and Hesperian periods, but most surface water vanished as the planet's atmosphere thinned and its magnetic field weakened. While temperatures at the depths where this water may exist are thought to be above freezing, the surface remains too cold for liquid water, likely resulting in ice formation. Accessing this water presents significant challenges due to the harsh Martian environment and the considerable depths involved, especially considering that the deepest humans have drilled on Earth is only 12 kilometers. The InSight lander, which recorded numerous seismic events until its mission concluded in December 2022, provided the seismic profile that supports these findings. Additionally, the study revealed 3 distinct crustal layers on Mars, contrasting with earlier models that suggested a single-layer structure. Entamoeba histolytica is a parasite that infects approximately 50 million people each year, leading to around 70,000 deaths annually. This organism primarily causes diarrhea, but can also result in severe health issues such as colon ulcers and organ damage. The parasite is typically contracted through contaminated food or water, particularly in developing countries, and is frequently seen in travelers returning from high-risk areas or immigrants in the U.S. Symptoms of amoebiasis include watery or bloody diarrhea, abdominal pain, and weight loss. In severe cases, individuals may experience fever and abdominal tenderness. Catherine Ralston, an associate professor, describes Entamoeba histolytica as enigmatic, noting its ability to kill human cells through a process known as tragocytosis, where it takes bites out of human cells, leaving them damaged. Ralston's research has shown that Entamoeba histolytica consumes parts of human cells, incorporating human proteins that allow it to evade immune attacks. The genome of this parasite is 5 times larger than that of Salmonella, complicating genetic research. However, Ralston's team has developed an RNA interference, or RNAi, library to study its 8,734 genes. By combining RNAi with CRISPR gene editing technology, researchers are working to identify key genes and proteins in Entamoeba histolytica, which could lead to potential therapies or vaccines. A recent paper in Trends in Parasitology outlines a new approach using genetic tools to better understand the parasite's proteins and genes, paving the way for improved treatments. This research holds promise for developing effective vaccines and therapies against Entamoeba histolytica, marking significant progress in combating this parasitic infection. Ralston emphasizes the importance of basic research in developing treatments for diseases caused by understudied parasites like Entamoeba histolytica, underscoring the years of effort required to study and develop tools against this complex organism. Scientists are actively exploring genetic tools and CRISPR technology to inhibit the parasite's ability to disguise itself from the immune system. Zepbound has emerged as a powerful contender in the obesity treatment landscape, with recent findings from the SURMOUNT-5 trial showcasing remarkable results. Participants using Zepbound lost an average of 20.2% of their body weight, translating to roughly 50 pounds. In contrast, those on Wegovy experienced a weight loss of 13.7%, or about 33 pounds, highlighting Zepbound's superior effectiveness. Dr. Louis Aron from Weill Cornell Medicine, who led the study, explained that Zepbound's enhanced efficacy stems from its dual action of activating both GLP-1 and GIP hormones, whereas Wegovy only targets GLP-1. This difference is further underscored by Zepbound's greater reduction in waist circumference, averaging an 18.4 centimeter decrease compared to 13.0 centimeters for semaglutide. Despite the positive outcomes, both medications reported mild to moderate gastrointestinal side effects, with over 75% of participants experiencing issues like nausea or diarrhea. This led to discontinuation rates of 6.1% for Zepbound users and 8.0% for those using Wegovy. Experts recommend that individuals considering these medications consult with healthcare providers for optimal dosage and dietary management. While Wegovy is FDA approved for reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes, Zepbound currently lacks this approval, emphasizing the need for individualized consultation before making medication changes. Starting July 1, 2025, CVS Health will prefer Wegovy over Zepbound on its standard formulary, which may affect patient access to these treatments. The popularity of GLP-1 medications has surged, with Zepbound generating $4.9 billion and Wegovy nearly $8.8 billion in sales in 2024, reflecting their growing acceptance in the market. Experts stress the importance of a variety of obesity treatments, as individual responses can vary significantly, underscoring the need for personalized healthcare. Leonard Glass, Senior Vice President at Eli Lilly, stated that the data confirms Zepbound as a leading treatment option for obesity, aiding healthcare providers in their treatment decisions. The study, funded by Eli Lilly and Company, was published in the New England Journal of Medicine and presented at the European Congress on Obesity, marking a significant contribution to obesity management research. This has been your daily brief in science. To read more about these stories, follow the links in the episode bio. You can also subscribe to these updates via email at www.brief.news. For more daily podcasts about the topics you love, visit brief.news/podcasts. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be back with everything you need to know.